Welcome to Lamination Depot. Today we're reviewing 4 easy steps on how to use the TruLam TL-320E Pouch Laminating Machine. This versatile machine laminates from 3mm up to 10mm in laminating pouch thicknesses and conveniently fits on virtually any desktop. Before we begin, ensure the document is centered in the middle of your laminating pouch with even edges. Today we'll be using a 5mm pouch for our 8.5 by 11 size document. Now we're ready to begin. Step 1. Turning on the machine and rollers. Turn on the machine using the power switch located on the rear. Then turn on the rollers using the power button located on the front. Step 2. Setting the temperature. Use the temperature guide on the front of the machine to select the proper temperature based on the thickness of your pouch. Wait approximately 10 minutes for the machine to reach the proper temperature. Step 3. Inserting the document for lamination. When the ready light is green, simply insert the document in the center of the machine and allow the rollers to gently guide it through to the other side. The use of a carrier is optional and not required for most documents when using the TL-320E. Step 4. Turning off the machine. Use the temperature buttons to set the temperature back down to the lowest setting of 190 degrees Fahrenheit. Wait approximately 10 minutes until the temperature is reached. Once the ready light is green, press the power button to turn off the heating. Then press it a second time to turn off the rollers. Finally, turn off the power switch on the rear of the machine. Your project is now complete. Thanks for watching another how-to video by Lamination Depot. Be sure to check out this machine and many other products at our one-stop shop, laminationdepot.com.